So Upwards is an NSF program that brought together 6 institutions from the United States and 5 institutions from Japan in order to try and bring about international cooperation. And it's focused on the chips industry, specifically on memory, and it involved several industrial partners as well. And so all the students that are here right now are part of an exchange program in order to facilitate that cooperation. A lot of the CHIPS Act was really about workforce development, and so we're focused on memory design, so we're giving them a general experience of what a memory designer at all aspects of the process might work on. So they're going to be going through making silicon wafers in a lab. Today I talked about integrated circuit design, or how a circuit designer might design a memory that would then later be fabricated. And then they're also going to be getting some lessons on computation and higher level communications and FPGAs and things like that that are higher up the semiconductor stack. So it's really just to give them a broad experience in what folks that are related to the industry do. I have to thank the sponsors. This is a very forward-thinking program. It's about $30 million between all the universities, and that money is coming from Micron, TEL, and NSF, and programs like this wouldn't be possible without that funding.